It was a cold and quiet morning when Ollie was walking down a busy street. He noticed an old woman standing by the side of the road, looking a bit lost and frail. Cars zoomed past one after another, their drivers wrapped up in their own worlds, their own destinations. No one seemed to see her. She looked tired, a little afraid, and completely invisible in the morning rush. Ollie could have just walked away, just like everyone else. He was already running late for his morning class, and honestly, helping a stranger wasn't exactly on his to-do list. It wasn't his responsibility, right? But as he was about to continue on his way, something inside him, a gentle nudge in his heart, told him to stop. He couldn't just leave her there. He walked over and asked gently, "Excuse me, may I help you cross the road?" The woman looked up, her face etched with worry lines, but a small, grateful smile appeared. Her eyes were a little watery. "Oh, thank you, young man. I have been standing here for so long," she said, her voice soft and a bit shaky. "It felt like no one even noticed me." Ollie smiled back and offered his arm. "It's no problem at all. Let's get you across safely." He held her hand, its skin thin and cool, and they slowly made their way to the other side of the busy street. He walked at her pace, making sure she felt steady and secure with every step. When they finally reached the opposite curb, she turned to him, her smile much brighter now. She squeezed his hand and said, "God bless you. Your kindness has made my whole day brighter." And in that moment, Ollie felt something warm spread through his chest. It wasn't pride or accomplishment, but something simpler, purer. He realized that kindness doesn't cost a thing. It doesn't take much time or a lot of strength. All it really requires is a heart that's willing to care, to see someone else's need. That single, simple act changed the course of Ollie's day. It was like a switch had been flipped inside him. Later at school, he saw a classmate struggling to carry a heavy stack of books and rushed to help without a second thought. On his way home, he made a point to smile at a stranger he passed on the sidewalk, and he received a surprised but genuine smile in return. When someone spoke to him with anger and frustration, instead of reacting with the same energy, he responded with patience and a kind word. He began to understand a profound truth. Kindness spreads like light. It ripples outward. One small, seemingly insignificant act can touch another person's heart. And that person might then pass it on to someone else, and so on. It's a chain reaction of positivity. You never truly know the full impact of your actions. Think about it. That old woman probably went on with her day feeling seen, feeling valued. Maybe her brighter mood made her a little kinder to the shopkeeper where she bought her groceries. Maybe that shopkeeper, in turn, was a little more patient with the next customer. We can't trace the path, but we can trust that the light keeps traveling. Kindness might seem like a small, almost trivial thing in a world full of big problems. We often think we need to do grand gestures to make a difference. But to someone who is hurting, feeling lonely, or invisible, a small act of kindness can mean everything. It can be a lifeline. It's a reminder that they matter, that someone cares. It's a powerful choice we get to make every single day in every interaction. Will we be the person who rushes past, lost in our own thoughts? Or will we be the person who stops, who sees, who offers a hand? In a world where you can be anything at all, the most beautiful and impactful thing you can be is kind. So let's choose kindness. Let's be the light for someone else. Thank you so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Let's spread a little more kindness together.